My fellow Jamaicans at home and in the diaspora, greetings. We are grateful to arrive providentially at the end of another year which tested the mettle of our resilience. However, through it all, we have been blessed in so many different ways, and for that, we are thankful. As we reflect on our journey during 2022, we recall the many ways in which we were impacted. Some significant and epoch-noting activities transpired this year, including the celebration of our 60th Diamond Anniversary of Independence and affirmation of our nationhood. In June, our sovereign celebrated 70 years of commitment to Jamaica and the Commonwealth. 3 months later, she quietly transitioned while still actively serving. Her son Charles has succeeded her as King and head of the Commonwealth, of which we are a part. Our youth, of whom we are so proud, continue to blaze a trail of excellence in sports, in academia, in culture, and other areas of national life. We will not fail you as we continue to pass on our heritage while you embrace the future without forgetting your roots and an understanding of our progress. We were again spared the ravages of natural disasters, and we demonstrated our appreciation by helping those who were affected. There is now a feeling of relief that after 2 years of COVID-19 pandemic turmoil, life returned to some semblance of normality. This year, as we celebrate the holidays, we should still follow the guidelines of the disaster risk management protocols and make every effort to stay safe. Thankfully, Jamaica remains a favorite destination for many people, despite wars, worldwide political disturbances, disruption in the food chain, and social and economic problems. We must keep the peace here in Jamaica so that our people, our visitors and residents living in the diaspora can feel safe and all right in this one love destination of choice. Some of you are spending your first Christmas without a loved one because of crime and violence, road fatality, or other travails. The King's House family empathizes deeply with you as we too mourn the loss of one of our employees who died in a traffic accident a month ago. We pray that everyone so affected will find peace and comfort. As another year closes, and in this Yuletide season, let us seek to rekindle the spirit of goodwill for our families and the entire nation as we strengthen the foundation of peace and love. I also encourage you to take some time to rest, relax, and have some fun. Nurture your soul, renew your spirit, and allow yourself to be restored. In the words of the poet Edgar Guest, and I quote, "When care is pressing you down a bit, rest if you must, but never quit." I trust that you and your family will enjoy a holiday season filled with peace, love, and happiness. I hope that the warm feelings we experience and share at this time will permeate our hearts, our homes, and our nation into the future. Lady Allen and I extend sincere wishes for a safe and happy holiday to all Jamaicans at home and abroad. God bless you.